So we're going to look at when we have mixed numbers, what do I do if I don't have enough in the fraction, and how do I take from the whole number? So the problem is 3 1/5 minus 1 2/5. So let's look at the fraction part first. 1/5 minus 2/5. If I have 1, can I take 2 away? I cannot. And so you might be thinking, all right, how do I do that then? So we can turn this 1 into a fraction greater than a whole by taking 1 from the 3 here. So that 3 will now become a 2. And that's still 2 wholes there. That's not a fraction or anything like that. It's still 2 wholes. But what we know about fractions are that when the denominator is fifths, how many needs to be in the numerator to make it 1 whole? 5. 5/5 is the whole thing. So I already have 1/5 plus what I just did is took 1 whole number here, and I need to place that over here and add them together. So 1 whole is the same as 5/5, and when I combine both of those two together, then I'm left with 6/5. And now that I've done that part, can I take 2/5 away from 6/5? And I can. 6 minus 2 is 4. It stays with fifths. And now the only thing I need to remember after that step is this is no longer 3 wholes, it's 2, because I took 1 whole and I made it over here to add to the 1/5, so then I could take 2/5 away. So it's really 2 minus 1, which would be 1. And so when you get a mixed number that's involving you to regroup, you can take 1 from the whole as long as you recognize if it's out of fifths, then that will be 5/5. If it's out of tenths, it would be 10/10. If it's out of 50ths, it would be 50/50. And hopefully that helps.